Setting up your booking portal in Brisk Appointment. To set up your booking portal, go to Settings and click on the Portal or Online Booking tab. Check the box to enable the public portal. You can add a subheading, choose between grid or buttons view for your time slots, and customize your display settings. Select whether clients should choose a bookable or appointment type first. Adjust your notification preferences, then click Save Portal. When you're done, copy or preview your booking link using the buttons provided. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to set up your booking portal in Brisk Appointment. A public booking portal lets your clients book appointments with your business online, so you don't have to schedule them manually through the app. To set up your booking portal, click Settings from the menu on the left side of the screen. Then, select the Portal or Online Booking tab to start customizing your online booking page. Tick the Enable Public Booking Portal checkbox to activate your booking portal. If you're subscribed to any Brisk Appointment plan, you can customize your booking URL by typing your preferred address in the text box. In the subheading field, enter a tagline or a short description that will appear below your business name on the portal page. Next, set up your booking display preferences. Choose how you want time slots to appear, either in grid view or buttons view. If you select grid view, the time slots will be displayed in a calendar-style grid. You can enable the option Show Colored Available or Booked Time Slots for clients to add visual indicators. When this option is checked, available time slots will appear in green with the label Available, while booked time slots will appear in red with the label Booked. If you select Buttons View, available time slots will appear as clickable buttons. You can enable the option Show Available Time Slots with Labels to separate the slots by morning and afternoon sections. You can also choose whether clients should select a bookable or an appointment type first by using the radio buttons. This setting determines the order in which booking options appear on the portal. To have clients select a bookable along with the date and time first, choose the first option. To have them select the appointment type first, choose the second option. If your business doesn't use appointment types, you can set a maximum booking duration that clients are allowed to select on the portal. This ensures that no booking exceeds your set time limit. Simply choose a duration from the drop-down or enter it manually in minutes. Under Online Booking Notifications, toggle your preferences to choose whether your business email receives notifications whenever a client books online. You can also choose to include a calendar invitation in the notification email, making it easy to add the booking to. Once you're satisfied with your setup, click Save Portal. To share your booking portal, click Copy Public Portal URL and add it to your website so clients can access it. You can also preview the portal by clicking Go to Public Portal to see exactly what your clients will see. For more Brisk Appointment tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.